Good morning, students. This is Manas Patnaik, your friend and tutor. And in today's video, we are going to make two simultaneously engineering drawings. That is, one is where we'll use the first angle projection for this object. Okay, we are going to make its front view. And please note that this arrow is always meant for a front view, unless otherwise stated. This is for right hand side view, and from here we are going to create its top view. Not just first angle projection, we'll also be simultaneously creating its third angle projection. And please note, in third angle projection, top view is at the top, whereas in first angle, top view is at the bottom. Again, for both of them with respect to the front view, right? In first angle projection, the right hand side view is made to the left of front view, left. However, in third angle projection, the right hand side view is to the right of front view. Please note, in first angle projection, vertical plane, that's the horizontal plane, that's the profile plane. In case of third angle projection, this is the horizontal plane, that's the vertical plane, and that's the profile plane for the side view. So far so good. Now I think it would be better if we can just guide you as to how I have made these boxes inside which I am going to be creating all the projections. Take a look. In front view, you'll see the length. Length happens to be 10 plus 30 plus again 10, 50. The height is 25. So in the front, the box that we are going to make is going to have a length of 50. Let me just show this to you. This is 50, whereas the height is 25. Okay, is this okay with everyone? All right, now let me set this layer to 0. In the top view, the length is going to stay same, that is 50. However, this width is going to be 35, so that is represented in the top view. Let me just show this to you. One sec. Linear this way and this way, 50 by 35. So these two dimensions are there. All right, now in the side view, you see this as 35 and the height is simple 25. Okay, can you see this? 25, right? That is why I've made this as the right hand side view. So these same boxes, this right hand side view has been made over here to the right of front view in case of third angle projection. This happens to be your front view, you can see this, and this is your top view at the bottom, and this top view is at the top of the front view, right? So far so good. I think if you have seen this video till here, you should definitely consider subscribing my channel, as I am going to educate you on different subjects of mechanical engineering, and this is basically a first year course in any engineering discipline, engineering drawing or engineering graphics. Now, what shall we begin with? I think we can begin with the top view. In top view, we are going to start from this very point, this right corner. 25, 35, 15, 25 again, 10. Let me draw this for you. Let us start. And let me set for a different layer. Polyline. Again, this is going to be 25. This is 35, no need to stop anywhere. This is going to be 15, then you have to go this way, 25, you have to go this way and end. What color is this? Yellow color. Again, use the hatch command, enter, pick a point, internal, and set this as the yellow color, and you are done. So far so good, no problem. After this, we have this green color portion that you see. Okay, how do you do this? It's very simple. You have to go this way from this very point to the left until you reach here, then bottom 25, then this way 10, then this way 10 again, right? Let me just zoom in. if please note this is 35, this is 25. 35 minus 25 will give you this value as 10. Okay, here we go. Let us start from here. All right, 25, then to the right 10, bottom 10 again, and you've reached here, back here. Again, we are going to use the hatch command. Pick an internal point. This is green color. Let us do it. Enter, and we are done. The top view is done. And now what I'll do is I am going to simply copy this, make a copy with respect to this, and here we go. This is how the third angle projection, the top view in the third angle projection would look. So far so good. Now let us take a look at this from the front. One thing is for sure, from the front you have three profiles, three colors. Take a look: blue, magenta, cyan. For the blue color, the dimensions are 10 by 10. The depth is 10, the width is 10. Okay, this is deep, this is length also, you can say 10 by 10 box, you will see, to be honest. So not 10 by 10. What did I say? Did I say 10 by 10? This is 10. This depth happens to be 13 and not 10. So 10 by 13 rectangle. Take this point, set the dimensions. Why am I making this in the right hand side view? It is for the front view. Rectangle. Okay, 10 dimension, 10 by 13. Done. Okay, so this is blue in color. Let me give it the color so that you can relate to it. Now we are here at this very point. That means here. How far? 15, and go to the top, then so 15 again, come to the bottom here and close it. Again, use the hatch command, enter, pick a point, which color? Magenta. Here it is. Done. And finally you have this rectangle, which you'll see. This is very simple. You don't have to even work for it. Use the rectangle command and then do it. Use the hatch, pick the point which is inside. Just a second, let me hatch, enter, pick a point. Color is slightly aqua or cyan. I think this is cyan, right? We can do the dimensioning at the end, don't worry. So the front view is over. Yes, all the profiles have been covered. Let me simply copy this with respect to this very point. No, let me have a copy with respect to this bottom corner, and let me put it here. So the front view is also done. Now we are left with the right hand side view, which is pretty simple. Reason being, there are only two rectangles which you can see. One is gray while the other is red. Okay, so I think we can begin with this red color rectangle. This is 10 by 25. 10 by 25 rectangle, 10 by 25. So select this dimension, 10, 25. Done. And you can make the rest of the stuff very easily. These are the two opposite diagonal corners. Okay, now as far as coloring goes, you don't have to do the coloring in the main examination. However, given the fact that you are able to relate things better visually when you color it, that's the reason I've done it. Okay, again, let us choose a point. Let us go for a gray color, and that is all which you guys can see. Is there anything else which you can see from over here, from this right hand side? Sir, there happens to be an edge, a solid edge, which has to be given respect. How it is hiding, however, behind this plane, there is an edge over here. So we need to give it respect in the form of a hidden line or a dashed line, right? So let me go back, and this is actually at a height of 13. So here it is. This is 13. Yeah. This. Where is the option for match properties? One sec. Go for match properties again. Let me do this. This is my source. Here it is. Now you can see this. Okay, that is all you can see. And now let us copy this, and we have to put it somewhere in the third angle projection. Here it is. So this is how you can create your drawings in first and third angle both. And as far as the dimensions are concerned, we can do that. Let me just give you a brief. Let me set the layer to 0, linear. This is going to be your length, that is 50. Again, this is going to be your width, and that is your height, 25. If you want some other dimensions, you can put them up. Here it is. This is another dimension that you can see. Okay, this is another dimension that you can see, and this is how you can place your dimensions. I am sure by this time you have got a fair idea as to how these projections can be created, right? Don't they look beautiful? Write them down in the comments. So if you are watching this video still, I'm sure you have got a good grasp on this projection concept, right? So this is Manas Patnaik signing off. And if you feel like this video has added value to your knowledge of engineering drawing, consider subscribing, consider liking, and also sharing it with all your classmates. Thank you very much.